Hi, this is Joe with PulseTV.com, and today I'd like to introduce you to the Home Cocktail Smoking Kit. This has everything you need to smoke your cocktails at home just like a professional. Using the kit is simplicity itself. All you do is you take one of the 4 included chip samples, oak, walnut, cherry, and apple, and fill one of these little mesh screens with the included measuring spoon. Once you have your screen mesh cup filled with your choice of wood chips, light it with this included kitchen torch, butane not included, and you're ready to smoke. Once you have your wood chips lit, cover the chimney with the lid and let the smoke circulate around your cocktail. The longer you leave the lid on, the more smoky flavor you'll get. Once your cocktail is ready, you can add these chilling cubes if you don't want to dilute your drink with ice, and all the way at the end, you can clean your screen mesh with this included cleaning brush. I've really enjoyed experimenting with this kit. I've found that the best liquors to smoke are bourbon, rum, tequila, rye, but you could also try vodka and gin if you're feeling experimental. So if you want to turn your home bar or kitchen into a cocktail haven, this is the set to get. It also makes an excellent gift for the whiskey or scotch lover in your life. So head on over to the site and get yours today. Cheers!